Come, let us spill this already spilled juice. Guys, can we just say ukuthi uMusa Khawula is from another planet and not necessarily this one, because wow. So he decided to write, ever wonder where Thando Thabethe's tabutis are manufactured? Ever wonder where Thando Thabethe's tabutis are manufactured? And he answers, owner of the Booth Group, Jaji Abalo, bought Thando Thabethe her factory, Redwood Manufacturing, where tabutis are manufactured, in exchange for S favors and for the factory to be used for money. Well, I understand. So that, where does Musa get this information? Because this is just terrible. And I want to just say, put it out there, I am a fan of Thando Thabethe. Her acting skills won my heart 100%, and I completely refuse to believe these allegations labeled by Musa Khawula. Do like, share, and subscribe.